Hello everyone, this is Priya from Techkriti Software. This presentation is part 3 of our series on front-end optimization for Drupal sites, wherein we cover small tips that are easy and quick to implement, but can increase the performance of your website in a big way. Today's tip comes from Suhani Jain, a Drupal developer at Techkriti, passionate about Drupal, CMS and open source technologies. Thank you Suhani for this handy tip. When a user sends a request to load a particular page from a web browser, the number of files sent from server and file sizes is an important factor which affects the page load time and performance of our website. Imagine if we could zip these files and send it. That would be a significant reduction in file sizes and increased performance. Let's see how we can zip the files before serving them to browser. To explain this in a better way, I am taking the example of basic Drupal installation. I also have Wiselo installed on my system. You can see that none of the files are zipped and we can see the full size of the files here in this column. Now let's see how to zip the files. Go to your Apache modules and enable the Apache's deflate module. I am using a Windows system, so I am doing it using a WAMP server. Now open the .htaccess file under the Drupal root directory and add this line, add output filter as shown here. Here we are specifying which file type to be zipped by Apache using the deflate module. If you observe closely, we are asking only the text file to be zipped. Reason is that text files provide larger performance improvement by maximum amount of file size reduction, whereas other file formats like audio, video, pictures, etc. are already encoded and so size reduction is not significant. Remember that some amount of computing power also gets consumed to zip the files. So it could be a wise choice to zip only the text files. Since most of the modern web browsers that are in use today unzip the files, we need not worry about how to unzip the files. Now let's load the Drupal basic site again and see if there is any difference. Okay, I have loaded the site and also opened the Wiselo tool. There you go. We can see that the doc files and CSS files are zipped. 5.6K for a file of size 24.2K. That's a close to 75% reduction. By the way, this is a basic installation of Drupal and so the number of files and file sizes is very low. In an actual Drupal site, you will see a significant improvement in page load time.